talented. Kaya sa mga tao, hindi sa iyo.
It shows. It shows that we are all talented. Kaya hindi lang ako nag-partner. Nag-packaging ako that Negros Occidental is more than just sugar. And here in Iliganan, we are more than just kalupo.
Correct.
Kaya magaling natin sa Iliganan, hindi ang mga kalupo. Talamak at lampiro.
Yes.
Tapo.
Ay, gusto ko man itry ang bibingka, ang bubupay. Ito na lang, ikatang sa akin ay partner kasi sinakutong kita.
Yes.
Grabe.
That's my question sa akin kanina. It shows how we love food here in Iliganan.
Yes, that's right. Tawag ako partner. Speaking ko nakapakondisyon na rin ang mga Inigaran Subok. And we also have visitors from other municipalities na nagkato din to witness our celebrity night because they're also excited to see our guests.
Yes, earlier also kita kita ng Vice Mayor Jessica Teslao, hindi mo mailan. Kaya naman kita mga sa kanya naman yung members from Isabela. Kaya naman sa ating as we celebrate last night of the 48th Hilaw Festival. And with that partner, speaking of Isabela, speaking of 5th District, we want to invite you all to focus your eyes on the street. As we give you ang pagpanamyaw sa ating na congressman sa Quinto Distrito, the Honorable Congressman Attorney Tito Yudo. Hello, Kong. Are you there?
Attorney?
Hello.
It's attorney.
3, 2, 1, roll yard. For some that don't po,